Alright guys, today we're installing the Rogue Mk3 stealth kit into our Next-Gen Raptor. This kit here fits all Next-Gen vehicles, whether it's the Raptor, Everest, or Ranger. All it differs is how you take off that front grille and the wiring, which we have detailed instructions below. So click the link below, you'll check those out, but let's get into it. What's included in the kit? Pretty simple. 2 Rogue Mk3 8.5-inch driving lights, our bespoke brackets for the Next-Gen series, hardware, and of course instructions that's vehicle specific. So start by flipping over the Rogues. That keeps the nut inserts staying in while you undo the bolts. Then simply attach the brackets per the configuration and instructions. Keep these bolts about finger tight. We'll dial in exactly how we want to point the Rogues later. All right, so the first thing we want to start with, bonnet up and disconnect the ground, make sure the battery is isolated from the vehicle. From there, we've got 13 clips along the top of this panel here. Simply remove them with a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Once you've got those clips off, simply remove the wings and then lift it up from underneath the intake and you got your first panel off. Once you've done that, you just simply want to disconnect the washer hose that goes to the front as well as the front facing camera. Now with the Raptor, we've got a fascia piece that's in front covering 3 bolts here. For the Ranger and Everest, you're actually going to have some clips along the bottom, so it's a little bit different. Check out the instructions for those to make it easier. But for this one, we've just got a trim tool that goes in here. Simply pry that open from here and then follow along down to remove the trim panel. After that, 3 bolts, remove those using a M6 8mm socket. On top here, we've got 2 more M6 8mm sockets. Remove those and that means the grille is pretty much ready to take off. Now from here, it's so simple. Just get your hand in and pull the grille directly away from the vehicle to unclip it. So with the grille off, we've got access to a 10mm bolt and a clip that's either side here. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove those before we get our Rogue Mk3 brackets and kit to mount in place. Once you've got those clips removed, all you got to do is now slide in the whole bracket assembly and mount it in place using these 3 bolts that we took out before, as well as the clips, and then the additional 3 pieces of hardware that we include for you. And that's how easy it is to install the light. Just to summarize, we're using the factory bolts and clips either side, only adding the 3 bolts in the center. The beauty is all of this is the exact same for the Ranger, Everest, and Raptor. The only thing that changes is the wire configuration. We've got wire configurations for level 1 and 3 headlights, as well as level 2 and the auxiliary kit. You can find the instructions for each one of those individually on our website or the link below.